welcome back to C&D, and I'm just here for a couple of minutes because I've got the toppest tip for you, and I can't quite believe we've not shown you how to do this yet, and that is how to make your very own piping bag out of greaseproof paper. It is really easy, and it's going to be great for when you just want to drizzle a little bit of chocolate on top of your cupcakes. So we need to start with a triangle like this, and I'll show you how to make this nice and easily. It's a right angle triangle, that's what it is. So I've got a sheet of greaseproof like this. First of all, I'm going to fold this corner over and we're going to cut out a square. So we're going to cut along this line here. And if we open that out, you can see this is a nice square with a line down the middle. So we're going to cut down that line and we're going to have two triangles, which means two piping bags. Right, so this is very easy, and I'll show you a couple of times. So I'm going to have this long piece of the triangle facing me. Now the tip of our piping bag here is going to be about in the middle of this long line. So now we just need to join these three corners together. So I'm going to start with this side, and I'm going to roll it in towards the middle and join that point here. Now you need to hold those two together whilst we do the same with the other side. So we wrap it around the front, up to the back, and you want to pull all three corners to meet each other like this. And there you go, your very own piping bag. But obviously we need to secure this, so I'm going to fold the three tips into the middle. And now I like to do this twice just to make sure it's nice and secure. And there we go. You can insert a nozzle to the end, or you can just snip the end off with some scissors and fill it with chocolate, cream, icing, all sorts. So let's take a closer look at that. So with the longest side facing me, the tip's going to be about here in the middle. We fold the first side in to meet these two corners. We take the last one over the top, meet them all in the middle, and then we fold them in and fold them twice. Should we do it one more time? Okay. So the point's coming here. Up to the top, hold them together, pull all 3 points, fold it in again. Et voila, how easy is that? And it's perfect if you get caught short and you just want to do a little extra drizzle on your cupcakes or fill them with cream or something fun like that, but you don't have a piping bag or you can't really be bothered to wash them up. So have a go at that, let me know how you get on. Taking a look at this now, it also makes a great party hat, seeing as we're not able to go out and party anymore, so we can stay in and make our own party hats. Also though, if you do want a slightly larger piping bag, something you can use over and over again, we have these lovely large piping bags over at cupcakejemma.com. They're so great because yeah, you can use them, you can wash them, use it, wash it, they're going to last forever. So head over there, there's loads of other stuff on there too, which is going to help with all your decorating skills. Let me know if there's some other kind of top tips. Sometimes you see people making stuff and you're like, how did they do that? Not with paper, like don't get me making origami swans because I don't know how to do that, although I'd quite like to learn. But anyway, we'll be back soon with a recipe for you guys. So until then, enjoy making your piping bag / party hat.